Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of assignment is New Perspective Excel 2019 Modules 5, 8 SAM Capstone Project 1AE. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. Step 1, preparation and setup. Step 2, analyzing sales data. Step 3, defining names and comparison. Step 4, performance ratings and links. Step 5, utilizing table data. Step 6, sorting and formatting. Step 7, pivot table and pivot chart. Step 8, optimization and scenario analysis. Step 9, review and submission. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution service. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used.
Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. In order to avail our help on New Perspectives Excel 2019 Vertical Bar, Modules 5, 8 SAM Capstone Project 1A, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268 or log on to our website helpinhomework.org, and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.